Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe and like. Now back to the news. Angelina Jolie is alleging that her ex-husband Brad Pitt's physical abuse toward her started well before the 2016 plane incident that resulted in her filing for divorce, per documents obtained by Page 6. On Thursday, the Maleficent actress' legal team made the bombshell claims, in an attempt to release communications that would prove the Fight Club star refused to allow his ex-wife to sell her portion of their Chateau Miraval French winery, unless she signed an onerous and expansive NDA. While Pitt's history of physical abuse of Jolie started well before the family's September 2016 plane trip from France to Los Angeles, this flight marked the first time he turned his physical abuse on the children as well. Jolie then immediately left him, the document reads. According to the filing, the NDA Pitt, 60, allegedly proposed to Jolie, 48, would cover his personal misconduct, whether related to Miraval or not, in an attempt to prevent her from speaking on his alleged abuse. Jolie's lawyers also alleged Pitt wanted her to contractually bind herself to silence, after he discovered in 2021 that she submitted a sealed filing, consisting of emails, summaries of the family's expected testimony and other evidence, to help settle their child custody dispute. At the time, Pitt agreed to purchase Jolie's shares of the French winery, but allegedly back out as he feared his ex's sealed documents could eventually become public. The documents continue. Mr. Pitt refused to purchase Ms. Jolie's interest when she would not be silenced by his NDA, the Salt actor's attorney Paul Murphy said in a statement to Page 6. By refusing to buy her interest but then suing her, Mr. Pitt put directly at issue why that NDA was so important to him and what he hoped it would bury. His abuse of Ms. Jolie and their family, he continued, referencing Pitt's 2022 lawsuit against Jolie for selling her shares of the winery to another party. Thursday's filing also claims Jolie never pressed charges against her Mr. and Mrs. Smith co-star, because she believed the best course was for Pitt to accept responsibility and help the family recover from the post-traumatic stress he caused. A rep for Pitt wasn't immediately available for comment. However, a source familiar with the Moneyball actor told Page 6 that Jolie continually tries to distract from legal losses by offering irrelevant or inaccurate information in further court filings. There's a pattern that every time she loses, she continues to come back to this. There's nothing new here, the insider added. Per documents previously obtained by Page 6 in June 2023, Pitt alleged his vindictive ex-wife sold her shares of Chateau Miraval in spite of him, after he was granted joint custody of their 6 children, though the decision was later overturned.